how to file your taxes if you are self-employed. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into TurboTax, and over here you would require some documents, and also you need to keep some things in mind, like if your tax is going more than 1000 yearly, then you would require to pay it on quarterly basis. So you can check it out by multiplying your estimated yearly revenue with self-employment tax rate. Simply search on Google what is the current self-employment tax rate is, and multiply it with your yearly revenue, and which would be estimated revenue, and this way you would be able to estimate the total tax amount that you would require to pay. And if it is going above $1000, then pay it on a quarterly basis. Also, you would require form 1040ES, and also check your deductions before going for the taxation. And the documents that you would require is that you would require your social security number, your government ID like your license, and you would require W2 or 1099 form or 1099 form. You would require your medical bill receipts, your retirement contributions, and all sort of different documents like interest on your investments. So keep all of these documents handy while filling the form. And here you have to fill up your personal information first, then provide the information related to your income and expenses, then you need to provide the deductions and credits, then other tax situations, and if you are eligible for the taxes in any of the state, then you would be requiring to pay the state taxes as well. After that, you can review your tax filing and finish it up. Now, after filing your personal information, click on this option of income and expenses, and you would be able to check out the income and expenses. Here you can select the option of self-employment income and expenses. Here you can select the option of review, or you for the first time you would have to fill it up. So here you get the form like 1099 NEC. If you are like in the food delivery, driving, or some other self-employed work, you can simply add it up over here, and you can just click on this option of add another line of work, and this way you would be able to add it up. After that, just simply click on done, and you would be able to complete your self-employment work summary over here. And on the basis of this, you would be able to add the deductions and all sort of other details. Just go with all the options that you are provided, and all the questions that are being asked, just provide the answers for them, and you would be able to file the taxes quite easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.